Patient experience is something that we pride ourselves on here at Good Shepherd. We look for those things that people will come in and say, like, they made access easier for us. Overall, that wowable experience is something that MABLE can provide for our patients. We're really excited about it.
I am an occupational therapist here at Good Shepherd in Allentown. MABLE came to us to map this building and have this building be their next site to pilot. Here's a feasible application that will benefit people that I see on a daily basis.
I go to neuro for TBI. It's stressful when you're in a new place with a head injury. You get dizzy, confused, lost. Though my service dog helps. My service dog can't say where the elevator is. But with an app like that, it could tell you exactly where neuro is, where the elevators are, the doors, the cafeteria. You're not going to get lost and have to ask a million people. That's basically what anybody with challenges want. They want to be able to do things by themselves. But that app would help anybody, not just people with challenges.
This building is really special, but also can be a navigating challenge. This particular location has 4 different entrances and 7 different check-in locations. So navigating can be tricky, especially if it's your first time at this location. Just taking away the burden of trying to find out where you need to go will help that patient satisfaction.
I had a fracture and that dramatically affected my gait. I'm still at the point, even after a long time, where I consciously am still thinking about what I do to walk around. I want to know the shortest route. I want to take the fewest steps. I want to get where I need to go. I can see how useful the app would be in any situation by anybody, not just somebody in rehab.
In general, it's difficult to often find wayfinding information in unfamiliar large spaces. So MABLE came about as a way to provide this missing information. It's essentially a system to make unfamiliar indoor spaces accessible. We want to use MABLE as this tool which allows everyone that confidence to move around indoor spaces.
MABLE is developed by people with disabilities, for people with disabilities, and is beneficial and useful for everyone in some form or the other.
So MABLE enhances people with disabilities to navigate into spaces with greater confidence and independence.
Turn left then forward 18 feet. Turn right then forward 10 feet. Continue 8 feet then you will reach your destination. Workroom L124 is directly ahead at 12 o'clock. Meeting room L103 is ahead right at 2 o'clock.
I think our unique strength is designing with the users by integrating people with disabilities in every stage of the development. We ensure MABLE is truly inclusive and intuitive.
You can get involved. We are looking for engineers, people who have an interest on the business side, people who are interested in sales, people who have an interest in just advocacy for accessible spaces all around, right? As end users, as facility owners, right? So I think everyone can play a role in making all kinds of indoor places more accessible and welcoming.
It's endless and limitless as far as how we can look at things, and MABLE's just an example of how we can find challenges that people are dealing with on an everyday basis and figure out ways to have better solutions for them.
I think it's a more empathetic approach to where people are in their journey through life.
MABLE is more than a product for us. It is a manifestation of shared goals and lived experiences to make indoor wayfinding accessible, real, and convenient.